Alright guys, I just wanted to summarize for you what is going on with my paper trading account on the wheel strategy. So when I initially started this, I had set up an account that was really up to $100,000 with another $100,000 margin from what I gathered in Thinkorswim, TOS, and ended up buying all these stocks, kind of going crazy. This is not what Rockwell recommends. They basically recommend as many as 5 puts, selling 5 puts on various companies, total of 5, so 1 each. And it depends on your account size, but even a larger account size, still just 5 is typically what they recommend. And there's a few veterans on the forum that may do a couple more. Might seen 8 a lot, and then they might really just do 5 or 6 and then have a couple slots open in case they do need the extra buying power to do a rescue mission, they call it, where you are assigned the shares, and if a stock drops on you quickly and you're assigned the shares, then you might want to go in and buy some more shares to bring your cost average down. That's kind of basically almost the worst case scenario, other than a company going bankrupt, which that's a risk no matter what you do in the stock market. Except index funds, I guess, avoid that risk. But anyway, I digress. So I just wanted to show you all the puts that I had lined up. A couple of these companies, actually, there's 2 there. FCX has 5 down here. And that's probably my worst one. It's a 39 strike, and it's currently below 36. So it's only Monday the 21st. That has until the 25th. So I'm not too excited about it just yet. I might try to roll it, but I actually don't mind Freeport that much. That's a mining company, and I'm pretty comfortable owning it if needed. But basically, I'm kind of going to ignore this account anymore. I'll probably keep an eye on it, watch these expire out. It'll get a lot less cluttered here once all these puts expire, and I'll probably be left with maybe just 5 anyway. But you can see here that I blew through 100,000 plus in like less than 2 weeks. Just bought AMD back for I guess that was about a 90% profit. But look at all this. So way out of control. So what I decided to do is just kind of reset. I learned a lot in those 2 weeks and set up an IRA account. And this is more realistic for me. If I do start using real dollars here, I'd probably use my IRA, because these are going to be short-term gains, hopefully gains. And you tax at your normal tax rate for those. So in an IRA, you're protected from the tax. You also don't get a tax benefit if you have losses, but hopefully I won't have too many of those. And I don't know, I think you can get margin on an IRA. I have to check into that, but I'd probably use very little, if any, margin, as much as possible. If I can't get margin, what I'll probably do is keep some stocks that I'm willing to sell in a pinch, or some cash outside of this in an IRA, which I have, that could probably support that. But I'll probably start with like 25,000 for a few weeks and then go from there. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what's going on with that. So we're going to reset, and actually today found 3 stocks that I kind of like. Alibaba is like the Amazon of China. Baidu, I think they're the Google of China. And then the Overstock is, well, a lot of people know Overstock. It's kind of an online seller. Sometimes good deals. I bought a few things there, and I got actually 2 of those before I already tapped out my 50K. Doesn't look as bad now here, but they're saying I'm beyond my buying power already, $3,500. So that's where I just wanted to update you real quick, and I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.